So the company was founded in 1993. But at the beginning we were only electrical wholesaler, and for 2 or 3 years, this product is made from a user's need. I mean, today people want a lighting solution. To find a lighting solution is really easy. You can find it in every shop, in every market. Okay, it's really easy. And what they want is something which is rechargeable, so rechargeable in micro USB, and they need something which is lightweight. So it's the lightest in the world. It's only 36 grams. So we designed Liggoo. You have here 3 LED lighting, so designed by the famous brand Osram. So 1, 2, 3. So it's in micro USB. So you recharge it in less than 2 hours, and you have an autonomy of 6 hours. How does it work? You just have to put a pressure in the middle of the glass. So you have 25% of the capability of the light, another pressure 50%, 100%, and the flashing mode. And another pressure on the middle of the glass, and it's off. If you have on the first pressure, on the first mode, you just have to put a long pressure, and it's off. The strength of this product is you have different accessories, like for example this one, which is the universal clamp. So you just have to put it here, turn by 1/4 turn, and it's done. You have here a magnet. You have here one thing to put on every closes, for example. Of course, it's always orientable at 360 degrees. So in order to orientate the light where you want to put the light. You have different accessories like this one, the hook, for example. Just have to put the hook. You can put the hook at vertical or horizontal, and always orientate the light, of course. You can put it on a tube strap. So you put with the universal clamp on the tube strap, and you can put around a parasol, around a bicycle, around everything you tube strap. You can put it also in headlamp. So for plumber, for runners, everything, okay, and always, of course, orientate the light where you want to put the light. And we designed also this, and at the end, of course, it's a flashlight. But it's not a simple flashlight because it's a double-side flashlight, okay? So what does it mean? It's to see and to be seen. Or you can put the flashing mode, you are walking the street, to see and to be seen about more security, more like warning. And we designed this smart product, which is compatible. You just have to put it, turn it by 1/4 turn, and compatible with all GoPro accessories. I mean, for example, the tripod, the suction cup. You have here a glove, another thing for tube strap, and for example this one too, to see and to be seen. You just have to put it here, and you put a little thing inside, and that's it. What the quality of this product is the lightest in the world. We're using LED power. It's ultra resistant. It's 100 hands-free. It's rechargeable battery, so no more batteries, and 6 hours of autonomy. It's one product for many uses. Of course, everything is made in France, and we're really proud of it. It's thinking in France, design in France, and produced in France. So you can clip it, suspend it, attach it, carry it, wear it, and adaptable to all GoPro accessories. And we have also chest body in order for runners. You can use it like for hunters, like for example the hunter's lighting, the camper's lighting, the fisherman's lighting, the plumber's lighting. What we want to do is to create kits. Depends on uses. It's okay, and that's it.